What's guys, it's Beast Gamer CR here. Today we're going to be playing Slime Rancher, and I'm doing a Twitch at the same time, so I might I'm scared. Here are this is my busy bee. This is my busy bee. Very busy bee. Very busy golden bee. I think it's a golden bee. A very busy bee. This is my busy bee. This is your busy bee of the week. Busy bee. And I am going. Oh! Come on! What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Slime Rancher video. And I am doing a YouTube at the same time, so yeah. Busy bee. What? So I have lots of new things. My busy bee of the week. This is your busy bee of the week. And I have some saber slimes. I'm gonna what do you want? Oh, yes. Who cares? Eating carrots helps you see in the dark. If you're talking about carrots, why don't you want carrots? Eat. I have those. I'm just not gonna hand them to him. I was expecting, and I don't think that's true. Oh my God, this is my baby. This is yours. You're a busy bee of the week. Don't go to sleep! Wake up. I shot a candle at him. There. I have to give this guy water every minute. Mango tree. Mango tree. Where are you? I've unlocked way too much things, only on YouTube. Oh, hello viewer. I keep forgetting because I'm making a YouTube video at the same time. I'm paying attention to the game. And I have some saber slimes, if you don't know what those are. But when I was doing this mission, I'm not sure if you were here. When I was answering this call, I'm not sure if you were here. He said eating carrots are good for your eyes, and he wants these. I have no idea what that noise is. Carrot. I have like a billion rad slimes. I used to only have 3 rad slimes. Now I have like a billion rad slimes. You are not going to sleep anytime soon. Oh. Wait. Yeah, I got a drone on my, pretty kind of off camera. I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, I don't know why I make noises. I just do. And this is the place where you need to get invited here by him. That's why I've been answering his calls a bunch. I feel like I'm about to do another video that I haven't unlocked. I'm pretty sure all of those are feral, but unless you use them before. Yeah, while I was on YouTube, well, I think off camera, I'm not sure. I bought this place. Why am I getting so many teleporters? Yeah, I bought the lab, the science lab, and I got a treasure pod cracker, and I cracked that, and another one. But I have only cracked 2 so far. So this is how you get it, but you need the blueprint, obviously. I've been getting so many blueprints. Ah! I don't know what these voices that I make are. Yeah. But I will make them. No, wake them. I almost said wake them instead of make them. So I'm gonna. Okay. And I have so much money. I don't know what to do with it. No. I just spent so much money on that last time, and I accidentally deleted it. This is why you don't make mistakes. Well, mistakes are good, but you learn from them. But like, don't make too much mistakes that you'll start screaming about. Don't start screaming after you make a mistake. You need to wake up. I'm gonna press his activate button. Oh, he's almost out of water. Oh, I can't press his activate button. Forgot he needs the water because he sleeps on the flower. I forget names of things, and I knew the name of the place. You should not say that. You should not say flower. You should not say flower. typing for this long, just trying to say hi, just trying to write hi, I would be amazed. Like, how would it take you that long? But like, I'll just go. Excuse me. I don't know why. I'm gonna burn my hand. I'm gonna get rug burned on my hand if I keep doing this. I'm making myself. Why? Why am I doing that? What are you doing? I'm gonna run out of water. And yeah, he's out of water. Hey, I need those. Hey, I need those. Hey, get back here. I need those. I just grabbed my ornaments because of that madness. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab my ornaments. He just sold all of them. I could have used those. This tree is not full yet, so I don't know why I have another tree. Way too many booms and way too many Brian Henry. I don't know what they're called, so sorry if I'm saying it wrong. You're making. I'm just gonna grab 3 of those. Okay, where did that thing go? How are you sending those? Where are you guys sending those to? Okay. There is a chicken right there. There is a chicken in your bubble. There is a chicken in your bubble. There is a chicken. There are more than 1 chicken close to you. There are 2 chickens right there. There's 1. There's 2. Okay, they're at least using both chickens that can survive. Oh, there's 1. Fertilizer. 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 I've heard in the Slimepedia, these little guys, florks, are fertilizer. Give me your fertilizer so I can sell your fertilizer. What am I doing? I'm trying to sell fertilizer. Fertilizer. It's called a tangle plort, but in the Slimepedia, their plorks are fertilizer. Fertilizer. I need fertilizer. Why? Why do I make voices? I need a lot of fertilizer. Why am I saying? Why am I saying fertilizer a ton? I just sold some fertilizer. You don't need to sell those. This man does not need, my bee does not need to sell all of these plorks. Okay, I'm grabbing those. Thank you very much. You just got nothing out of it. Good job, buddy. You got nothing. I'm trying to get more, I'm trying to get, more Rancher Sabers. Okay. Where are you? Oh, I was about to scream. Where are you going? Fertilizer. Okay, I need to stop saying fertilizer. You guys get it now, I bet. I bet you guys get it by now. These guys have not produced plorks in a while, because I haven't been burning stuff in a while. Out. Go right here. Okay, chill. Since I have not made a Twitch video in so long. So, I need to stop saying so. I've been saying so like 20 times. I need to chill. I cannot say so anymore, or my head is gonna pop off from laughter. I need to stop saying, I bet you guys are hungry. I have like 20 million of you, so it's hard to feed you. Okay, I'm just gonna suck you guys up to see how many of you guys up there are. Probably have like less than 10. I thought I had less than 10. I need 11 chickens. Feed all of them. Chickens. I have 13. That's even more than I need. Okay, I just got 14, so I can feed these guys 3, 1, 2, 3. There's your guys' 11 chickens. I need like a whole bunch of these, so that's why. Well, I'm gonna have a lot more than 11. Come back. Okay, I have 13. Okay, I fed all of them, so... Okay, I'm gonna go grab some tabbies. I'm gonna go grab some tabby slime because... 4 to be exact, because... trying to get more... I'm trying to get more tabby plorts. There we go. I'm freezing. Wait, I do need that! Nope, wait. Just one! So, Sabers start as Largos if you didn't know. So, whenever you find a Saber, they're always going to be a Largo and they're always going to be mad at you. Unless you feed them. That happens with pretty much every angry slime, you just have to feed them. I'm gonna break my knee bone. I need to stop. I'm gonna break my knee bone. Okay. Okay, you guys have ate nothing. Eat that! There, now I have guns. I do not want you guys to be safe. So I think pretty much, yeah, I'm pretty forgot to. I've unlocked that place. I've unlocked the place where I found sabers. Because I am trying to create another fat boy thing. Another fat boy catcher. Another Gordo catcher. But I need an advanced drill to do that. So I'm gonna need 6 carrots, which I have a ton more than that. So I'm just gonna go in my cave. Alright. I try and like save up my torch in there, cause I'm not just gonna leave it off like alright. Oh my, there are so many of those. I almost have a full cake. You need to stop. You've been working way too much. Okay, I need to capture 12 rock slimes. And this is gonna come in handy because I'm gonna be creating like a ton of those because I accidentally exploded a honey slime. That is not good. I'm gonna try and get a giant, no, not a giant phosphor. I almost said I'm gonna get a giant phosphor, but no giant phosphor. You come out of rock. Okay, I'm just gonna run straight in here. And I'm out of here. I'm not wasting my rad quart. I'm going to, but not on slimes. Obviously. I'm so full. Slime tossers. Nice. I need to stop saying this, but I am freezing. Get away from me, please! Yeah, sure, I'll take a couple more rat slime. And yes, I exploded the giant rad slime. So that's where I got most of these rad slimes from.